If you're looking for simple yet powerful ways to improve your health, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of spices and herbs, nature's secret weapons for boosting your immune system, improving digestion, and even fighting inflammation. Stick around because you won't want to miss these 7 powerful spices and herbs you should be eating daily. Let's get started. No one. Turmeric. First up, we have turmeric. You might have heard about this golden spice before, but do you know why it's so powerful? Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research shows that it helps fight chronic diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. How can you add more turmeric to your diet? Try adding it to your soups, curries, or even making a delicious golden milk latte. Always pair turmeric with black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. No. 2. Ginger. Next on the list is ginger. If you've ever had an upset stomach, you might have reached for ginger tea. That's because ginger is a natural digestive aid and can help relieve nausea, bloating, and indigestion. Plus, it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle pain and joint stiffness. Want to get more ginger in your diet? Try adding fresh ginger to your smoothies, stir-fries, or making a soothing ginger tea. No. 3. Garlic. Now let's talk about garlic, nature's antibiotic. Garlic is packed with allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It's great for boosting your immune system and even helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The best way to enjoy garlic's benefits: eat it raw or lightly cooked to preserve its powerful compounds. You can add it to salads, dressings, or even roast it for a milder flavor. No. 4. Cinnamon. Next up, we have cinnamon. Not only does it add a warm, sweet flavor to your dishes, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest that cinnamon can reduce blood sugar spikes, making it great for people managing diabetes. Try sprinkling cinnamon on your oatmeal, coffee, or even making a cinnamon-infused tea for a tasty health boost. No. 5. Black pepper. You might think of black pepper as just another seasoning, but did you know it's a powerful health booster? Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of nutrients like curcumin and turmeric and even certain vitamins. It also has anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Make sure to add freshly ground black pepper to your meals daily to boost both flavor and nutrition. No. 6. Oregano. Oregano isn't just a pizza topping, it's a medicinal powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties, oregano can help fight infections, improve gut health, and even reduce inflammation in the body. Try using fresh or dried oregano in your dishes or steeping it in hot water for an immune-boosting oregano tea. No. 7. Cayenne pepper. Last but not least, we have cayenne pepper. This fiery spice contains capsaicin, which helps boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and even relieve pain by blocking pain signals in the body. It's also great for promoting heart health by improving blood circulation. Add a pinch of cayenne to your meals, soups, or even lemon water for an extra kick and health boost. And there you have it. 7 powerful spices and herbs that can transform your health. Adding just a little of these to your daily diet can make a huge difference. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more health and wellness tips.